Hey everyone, so today I have some lovely mail that was sent to me. I'm going to jump right in, and the first thing that I actually got through the post was this envelope, and it's got some lovely stenciling on the other side, but it's also got my address. So I'm just trying to see if I could, actually I might be able to, if I can cover my address, I might be able to show you the lovely stenciling that was on the front of the envelope. And then when I opened it up, I actually had a lovely smile on my face. So as soon as I saw the card, which is this one, look at that, how gorgeous is that blending? Fabulous. I love it. I knew who it was from. So it was from Monica from Paper Mona here on YouTube, and she just wrote to me that she had promised, which I remember when we went to the craft show, she was going to stamp and die cut some of those lovely words that she got. And to be honest, I'd forgotten about this, and then I got it through the post, and then I was like, oh yeah, wow. And she stamped them in black. There's so many in here, so just taking them out, but like I can see there's happy birthday, there's like yay, hi, oops, pick up hi, and it's really, she's put it on some nice thick card as well, or she's doubled it up. You're a great friend. I absolutely love, and I think this was like one of those things that I missed that I probably should have got, because I absolutely, when she showed me, I actually fell in love with it, and I kind of was in two minds about it at the time. And she said, oh, I'll stamp some for you, and I thought, yeah, oh, that would be so nice, and that's really kind of you. But now when I've seen them as well, I'm thinking these are so many good phrases that would be good. I'm not even showing you, good on cards and things like that. You've got celebrate, miss you, congrats, hello, thank you, so many. And it comes with the die set that matches, so they're perfectly cut out. And she also included some of these words, mostly on the black print, and then we've got some on the white there. And she just said that they were from, so the die cuts and the stamp and die, and they were die cut out, they were from Pink Fresh Studios. And she said the other ones were from Lou Collins. So thank you so much, Monica, for that. And I absolutely, look at the brightness. Everything about this screams me. I just love the bright colour and everything. And you can see she's done a few, I believe that's like water drops on it as well. Super cute. Oh, and this was one of the dies that we bought while we were at the show as well. So, and I actually do have this one. I myself has had problems die cutting it. I don't know if it's because of the machine, maybe it needs extra pressure, you know, my layer, I'm not sure, but it always seems to leave a bit that won't die cut out. So I've got to have a little play around with that and see if I can get it to die cut clearly. So thank you again, Monica, for that. And then also this week, guys, which was really surprising, I got this box come through the mail, and I was thinking, oh, postal delivery, a delivery and parcel. I didn't order anything, but look at this. So this is the box opened. It's got this beautiful card, handmade envelope on the front, and it says Cheryl. So we'll open that first. So to be honest with you guys, obviously you can see that there's been a little break in the videos, and do you know what it was? I just was feeling not that inspired to kind of record or to do crafts. I don't know if you call it burnout, or if you call it I don't know, just being uninspired, I'm not sure. But when I saw these, when I got the letter and the parcel, it really got me into the frame of mood to get back looking at my craft things again. Because yeah, I think it just happens every now and then. It's not that I didn't want to do crafting anymore. I just didn't really sit down at the table in the last few days. So, but I'm happy to say I feel pumped. I feel like I'm, you know, feeling more creative, in the creative mood. So I'll be making some more videos about my makes. So look at this gorgeous card. Love this. I think this is ephemera. And then she's die cut this underneath. And I think that this is like fake snow. It comes like fake snow, doesn't it? It's like little pieces of iridescent paper or something. It's not paper. It's I can't get the word. It's like cellophane, but it's plastic, but it's like little iridescent see-through pieces. And then she's got some of these flowers with a little diamond in the middle. And then inside she said just some Happy Mail from Jessica Marvel, and it's got that lovely iridescent paper, all on lovely pink, feeling really summery. So let's have a look inside. We've got the pink and white tissue paper. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. So she's made some shaker pockets and she had stitched these babies up. Have a look at that. So she's used, I'm thinking she's used some of the shaker mix she gets from Leslie's Craft and Gifts. She's used some of the printables from Cheryl Simone Crafts. Super, super cute. Look at that. And then I've got 2 of those. Oh, so yeah, she's used these are digital printables from my shop, and she's made me some shaker pockets. And I saw this, well, I thought it was an ATC, but maybe not. She's made me this, I don't know, I think it's like 5, maybe bigger than 5x7, maybe A5 size. And she's done this collage, so this would be pretty neat to put on my wall. And she's used these are from my digital cuts, and she's put them on some 3D foam. She's coloured in this beautiful image. I think this is a Greetings Farm one. You know, yeah, I love Greeting Farm as well. Collectibles, well, they can be a collectible if you want them to be, but I like to collect them as well when I come across them, because they're an American brand as well. I don't know if you can see everything. Can you see the full thing? So that is a super cool. I love the way she's coloured it in as well, and the bright colours. Oh, we've got some more. So do you know what, I don't know why I saw these on her shorts and I thought that they were ATCs. I don't know why I thought they were ATCs, but they're actually pages. They can actually be put into made into like a journal page or something, or maybe I should put them display them on my wall as art. I don't know. Give me your opinion down below what you think I should do. Should I make it into an album page, or shall I use it as art? I'm not sure. And then she's beautifully coloured in this little girl here, and I like the way she's used the white gel pen to do her highlights. Jessie's colouring is on point. I'm still practicing with the colouring and everything like that. Oh my word. Okay, and then we have this one. So this is the 3rd one, again with the lovely colouring. And then I think she's blown these images up because they're bigger than the ones that I think I use. And then we've got the rainbow, and we've got some colourful paper underneath. I think this might be a doodle. It looks like a doodlebug print. They all look like doodlebug prints actually. And then the 3D foam. I like the way she's built it up. So some foam is thicker than some, so you're getting that depth in the picture there. I don't have a cold, guys, but excuse me, I've just started sneezing today. I don't normally suffer from hay fever, so who knows what is going on. I don't. And then inside, so this is the last thing in the box, and Jess, this has really made me smile. Thank you so much for the Happy Mail. She's included this 3D boba 3D boba, and I'm sure she has made this herself, the measurements and everything. And then inside she has included some shakers, and there's also another little box. So yeah, let me show you that again, that 3D boba with the straw and everything, nicely finished on the sides as well. And then let's have a look. So we've got the little teacup shakers, and she's put some biscuits, so you know, biscuits and tea. And she's put the spoon, she's even put the spoon inside the teacup. She's got some coloured little pretzels there. Jess, you are the bomb, girl, with making these. Do you know, I do have this die, and I've cut the pieces, but I haven't put it together yet. So I really need to do that, because I go through a thing where I'll do some die cutting, I'll do some colouring, and then I'll put it together maybe for a project later on. So I haven't got to putting them together. She's even made the spoon silver. I'm thinking, is that she's done a little print there, but I don't think that comes on the die. So I'm not sure how she got that to do a print like, you know, you get on your silverware. And then she's hand stitched these little tea bags, and with the little shaker bits inside. As you know, I bought a little hand stitcher and it didn't go well. But I'm going to have to just crack open the normal size sewing machine. But anyway, we'll get to that. And then she's made these banners, these kind of, these words, what do I want to say? Ephemera. And some she's used colours. She's done some die cutting on there. And she's also used some ephemera. She's used all sorts of different pieces to decorate these words. So they all say delicious. And they absolutely are. Thank you so much, Jess. So we've got 3 of those. And then we have this little cute box. Again, I like this foam. I like tactile things. And she's die cut the biscuits. I know she was selling these on her site. And I know she's got an Etsy with Leslie. So possibly, I haven't been on there actually in a little while. So possibly these are for sale. So if you really like the look of them, I would pop them. I'll try and see if I can I don't think I've linked an Etsy before, but I'll see. Even if I put the name of the shop or whatever, I'll try somehow to put it so you guys can have a look. We've got some Doodlebug paper. Yeah, I recognize this Doodlebug paper in the background. And she's made her own little embellishment box. And it is a gorgeous little embellishment box. Do these come out? They don't come out. Fabulous. Oh, this is really good. So rather than buying even the plastic ones, you can make your own. And she's made lots of little biscuits. I can put them in my hand. So we have these ones in this little square. There's 3 of those. And we also have some little swirls. And in the lovely pastel colours. And we have some here, 1, 2, 3 as well. So each one has 3, and she's built them up. And with foam, it makes them feel really nice and thick as well. Nice embellishments to use. And then she's even put the little jam in it, and and they're made from the foam as well. So thank you so much, Jess, for making those. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love it all. The boba little, oh, can I not slide this back in? There we go. And the boba little box, and then all the ephemera that you've made. So cute. Let's put that over here and put that down here. And the pictures, as I said, absolutely loving. I'm really thinking I want to display them, but yeah, let me know what I could do to best display these. So either on the wall or in an album, just to use them. How do you think you would use them? But anyway, as I was saying, thank you so much to Jess and Monica for just sending these to me, because yeah, I've not been good at sending mail and things. That was my New Year's, and I've been, I want to say pants at it, really. I've been pants, guys, to tell you the truth. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I will be uploading some more videos, so stay with me. I know I've got a few more new subscribers. I want to say hello to you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hanging in there. I've not been uploading that many videos. And yeah, let's get crafting. We'll just craft together and have a laugh and, you know, see what's going on in the crafting world. So yeah, as I said, don't forget to hit hit the bell if you haven't already done that, so that you can be notified of my up and coming videos. So guys, it's actually a pretty fair day today. It's Saturday and the weather seems to be nice. Hopefully this bank holiday Monday is just as nice. So get out and enjoy yourself, and yeah, enjoy crafting. Bye.